Hey guys, it's Kelly and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, I'm Kelly and I'm the car mom. I review cars for moms and for families. We are here live at the Chicago Auto Show, our very first auto show. Very honored to be here, and I have behind me a very exciting vehicle, the brand new Toyota Tundra. This is the capstone edition, the top of the line, has an MSRP of around $70,000. We've got two engine sizes, one being a hybrid, hello, but today we are going to do a quick little tour of the exterior, the interior, and most importantly, I'm gonna try to fit 3 car seats in that back seat, and I'm feeling pretty confident. If this is your first time joining me, hey, I'm Kelly and I'm the car mom. I review cars for moms and for families. I'm a mom of 2 and a certified child passenger safety tech. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, so behind me we have the 2022 Toyota Tundra, completely redesigned and looking pretty sassy. Again, this is the capstone, but there are a ton of different trim levels here. Anything from like a Pro to something else. I don't know, there's a lot of accessories here, and I'm gonna be honest, it's a little out of my wheelhouse. And I already know there are plenty of tours out there breaking through those trim levels, but are there any tours putting the car seats in them? That's what we're here to do. So let's come around to the side profile just quickly to give you guys a little bit of a look. It looks very nice. We've got some power running boards right there. Love to see it. Some great chrome on this trim level. We've got some chrome badging here, the chrome around the mirror caps, some nice black. I'm really liking the two-toned of this roof and kind of how this line cuts completely here to then kind of open up the car and give us some white up here. I think that looks so beautiful. Coming along to the back end, we've got some great wheels on this vehicle. Looks amazing. And then we go into our bed. All right, so since this is a truck, let's actually talk about some of the beds. So this is a 5.5-foot bed. Unfortunately, the power part's not working on this prototype, but what's cool is there's 2 ways to open the trunk. You can open it up here, or there's a little button on the side right here that you could click, but then we'll kind of open it a little more slowly. So I thought that was kind of a fun little feature. As far as some of the back end looks are concerned, I think it's a very good looking truck. I love our Toyota stamped in the chrome, our Tundra stamped here, some beautiful lines on the back end right here. Taillights are looking fun. I could be a trucker by the time this is all over. Let's go get the car seats. All right, so we have a shot of me in the driver's seat of the Toyota Tundra, feeling so fabulous. I think this interior that's in this capstone is looking darling. I'm loving this ivory leather with some nice wood trim, with some chrome. I really think everything's playing super nicely. They've got a couple of side cubbies here, pretty shallow to be honest, not my favorite. But one thing I'm super excited about is this interior design. First of all, this screen is huge. Unfortunately, I can't turn it on, but I can only imagine the beautiful colored display that is right there. Steering wheel feels great. I love when it's kind of flattened right here. We've got heads-up display, some great contrast stitching. Okay, so a few more features in this car that I think are amazing. First of all, I don't think I've ever been in a truck with a panoramic sunroof. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness gracious. So excited about that. Let's kind of talk about some of our cubby spaces right here. So we have a wireless charger. I actually like how the wireless charger is here instead of like tucked somewhere, just so you could like quickly glance down at your phone if you needed to. 2 cup holders, a beautiful wood trim, and then this center console is actually kind of interesting. It's got some different elements and some components to it, but however you swing it, it is a really nice size. USB and USB-C charger in there, and then 2 more cup holders back here. I love a car where I, as the driver, have 4 cup holders in reach. Okay, I'm gonna stop keeping you waiting. I've done it. I've installed 3 car seats across this bench of this Toyota Tundra. Let's take a look. Okay, so the car seat setup of the Tundra is pretty basic. We've got lower anchors on either outboard seat, tether anchors across the back. I have 3 car seats, 3 different car seats, just so I could really see everything that was happening. I have 3 Kiko car seats. We have the KeyFit 35, the One Fit, and the booster seat. Let's get in. Starting with the Kiko KeyFit 35, I have set this seat for myself, and I'm about 6 feet tall. So as you can see, we have really great clearance right here. Door opens pretty wide. I'll try to get the seat out just to give you an idea. Pretty effortless. I will say that the only thing that's hard with trucks is they are tall. So I can only imagine what it would be like to have someone a little shorter try to like climb it. Well, good thing you got the running boards, I guess. So I have the infant seat right here. I have the booster seat in the middle, and then I have the forward-facing car seat on the other side. The forward-facing car seat is installed with the seat belt. This infant seat is installed with the lower anchor. So trucks historically have a really wide bench, but I feel so honored to have the privilege to be able to see this brand new Toyota Tundra, be able to put some car seats in it. Definitely comment below about which other trucks you guys want me to do, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.